Can you believe this scooter is advertised to run for 100 kilometers? That's a crazy amount of range.
This is a 3 amp charger, wow! This is for the wheel. This is the headlight. This is big. God! Here you have the wheel. Those are the mirrors. I've actually never had mirrors before. Here we have the basket, and here we have the main seat. Well, this seat looks comfy. This is a cute basket, not gonna lie. This has to go in the back, right here. Oh, this is wood. This is the front wheel defender.
The fun part is that you can bring someone, let's say smaller than you, to ride together with.
This basket is huge, I think you can carry a watermelon in it.
This model fits perfect for daily use.
Now it's ready. Let's turn it on. Oh. Whoa! This is fun.
You can get your 26 amps battery scooter on a limited price. Not a bad top speed with a 150 kilograms load. That will be me and my special guest together.